My hair has definitely grown so much. Watch this video to see how you can keep all your new growth. Hey guys, so today I'll be taking down this 2 months plus mini twist that I did. It's very obvious that my twists have transitioned into a very rough dada with lots of tangles and knots. The roots are all matted together, as you can see. Clear evidence of negligence on my own part, but clearly, it didn't stop the hair from growing. Can see where I started twisting from, yeah, and the amount of new growth that I have now, and that's quite impressive in 2 months, plus. So watch this video to see how I'll take down this mini twist and see how you can keep all your new growth even with all these tangles and knots. In order to reduce the amount of shedding I'll be seeing on this takedown process, if you watch my last video, you will know that green tea rinse is a must. So I went ahead, brewed some, a sachet of green tea, let it cool down, and I transferred it into my spray bottle for easy application. So to apply this green tea, I'm making sure that I get to every part of my hair, the roots, the hair strands, and the tip of my hair. And I also use my fingers to properly massage it all in. This is my go-to conditioner, but I've just run out, so I'll be making use of this olive oil ORS for this video. Oops. So I'm just gonna pour some of it into this plastic container with some coconut oil, and then I'll give it a good mix. And then I followed up with the application, because with the present state of my hair, the conditioner will definitely help with the softening and loosening of the mattings and knots and tangles on my hair. Okay, after which I cover the hair for like 40 minutes each because of time, and I allow the product to do its magic. But you can definitely decide to carry yours, leave yours on for hours for better results. For easy and quick takedown of this mini twist, and also to reduce the amount of breakage I'll be seeing, I'll be making use of more conditioner mixed with coconut oil and almond oil this time. My hair definitely loves coconut oil, and it has a lot of slip to it. And also be using shea butter and water along the way. So to take down each twist, I apply the conditioner from the root all the way to the tip, and then I start from the tip to gently unravel the twist, and then I work my way back to the roots. And because all the roots, like all my roots, are tightly matted up, I always apply more conditioner and shea butter in some cases to help loosen up the knots. And I take my time at this point. I take my time to pull and separate each strand of hair, until all the strands are completely detangled and standing on their own, before finishing up with the comb and the brush. After which I will just go ahead and twist my hair back up. A quick length check. The hair has definitely added so well from my last video, where I trimmed about 5 to 6 inches of my hair before installing this protective style. So here I'm just adding more ori to the tip of my hair, and then I use my comb and my brush before twisting back my hair. And you can see the knotting, the matting here is just those conditioner. I'll still just apply more conditioner, more ori to soften and loosen the knots. So in cases like this where I have about 3 twists matted up, I don't just go and start pulling them away from the roots. If you do that, you're going to be ripping off your hair. So I'll just focus on one twist.
And when I get to the root of that particular twist, every other twist that is attached to it will be easily detangled and pulled away. I also encounter this knotting on some of my tips and also at the middle strands of my hair. But all I do is apply more product and gently separate them strand by strand if I need to, just so I'm not, I'm able to minimize breakage. You see me, brushing and combing my hair after I've finger detangled. Before I do that, I always make sure that I put some sort of slip, that's water, leave-in conditioner. I also add ori to it. This way I'm not losing any hair that is not supposed to be lost. Okay, so before you go in combing, make sure you're not combing a dry hair. Make sure you're combing a hair that is moisturized, okay, so that you're retaining this length that you're able to grow throughout the moment you are carrying your protective style. I just took a deep breath. I've been on this hair takedown since yesterday. I couldn't finish and I had to continue this morning. I would say this took me like 12 hours to finish, but it's totally worth the patience I had taking this down. Then my advice and recommendations: please do not carry your hair for this long. But if you must do, please make sure you're taking proper care of the hair while at it. Okay? So this is the total hair I lost throughout this process. Is it too much? No, I would say. I mean, considering how long and how well I cared for the hair, if you know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please, please, please like my video and leave a comment, okay, if this video was helpful to you in any way. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.